Hi, I'm Beth from smartsocial.com, and I'm here to give you a preview about our VIP course about how to block mature apps and media downloads through Google Play. Parents, did you know that right now there's more than 2.5 million apps available through the Google Play Store? Many of the apps are free, and a lot of the apps might not be suitable for all of our kids. We're here to teach you how to check the ratings of apps and media through Google Play and how to use the parental controls within Google Play to help limit the content that your students see. Google Play tells us ratings are the responsibility of the app developers. So even though we have a great basis for rating our apps and downloads, we are still dependent on app developers to give us the full picture of what's in those apps and media. And we know that it may not be the complete picture. So in our VIP course, we're going to show parents what are Google Play parental controls. We'll tell you a little bit about the ESRB and how those ratings are seen in Google Play. We'll give you some tips on why we think parents should care about apps and media ratings in Google Play. We'll give step-by-step directions for parents of how to set parental controls using either Google Play settings directly or going through Family Link through your students' accounts and devices. We'll also give suggestions and tips for talking with your students about appropriate content on their devices. So how do you view this full VIP course? We recommend joining the Smart Social VIP or Very Informed Parent membership for full access to this course and 400 plus social media safety resources. You can go to smartsocial.com/VIP to sign up. And once you're a member, log in. You can search Smart Social for Google Play to access this full course. Schools, let us help you reach your parents. Partner with us to bring ready-to-deliver parent education resources like this to the parents, students, and teachers in your community. Go to smartsocial.com/partner to find out about our VIP partnerships. You can also find out more about our Smart Social anti-bullying and incident reporting text message platform for your schools. Parents and teachers, if you're watching this, tell your principals and superintendents about smartsocial.com and that you want to bring these resources to your community. I'm Beth from smartsocial.com. Thanks so much for watching this preview of the VIP course. Please don't forget to rate, subscribe, and review all of our resources so we can help more parents like you. We hope to see you in the VIP course.